Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this lecture, we will see the reaction of alkenes with diborane. This reaction is also called as hydroboration oxidation. Overall reaction is the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. So let us see the reaction. Addition of BH3/THF followed by H2O2 at basic condition takes place. Here we are using 3 molecules of alkene which on reaction with BH3THF followed by hydrolysis using the hydrogen peroxide at basic condition, that is NaOH, produces 3 molecules of alcohol. In place of this BH3THF you can use this diborane, that is B2H6/THF, and rest of the thing, that is H2O2 basic condition, that is same. So what is the statement of this reaction? Alkenes when reacts with BH3THF followed by hydrolysis using hydrogen peroxide at basic condition gives alcohols. In this reaction, less substituted alcohol is obtained as a product. Now we will see more explanation and examples on this reaction. Before that, this is the main thing, that reaction takes place by Markovnikov's or by anti-Markovnikov's addition. This is the main question. So we will see the explanation for this. I am trying to explain this by using the mechanism of this reaction. What are the different reagents we are using in this reaction? For this reaction, we are considering the asymmetrical alkene. Conditions on the arrow, that the first condition is BH3/THF in presence of this oxidizing agent, that is H2O2 at basic condition. So this BH3 is nothing but the trihydride boron, or it is also called as borane. Okay, the another name is trihydride boron. As you know, this hydride means hydrogen containing negative charge. This boron hydride is in dimer state. So this is the B2H6. This is called as diborane. So what is this THF? This THF is nothing but the tetrahydrofuran. This tetrahydrofuran acts as a solvent in this reaction. BH3 is actually a hydride donor present in diborane format. Now the reaction product, if I write here, is RCH2CH2OH. This is the overall reaction product. We are obtaining 3 molecules of alcohol, as we are going to take these 3 molecules of alkene. So why we are taking these 3 molecules here, that I am explaining in the mechanism. So let us see the mechanism first. Alkenes are used to form 3 molecules of alcohol. So out of that, we are considering this is the first molecule of alkene which is going to react with BH3. Suppose this is a BH3, okay, borane. So how this reaction takes place? Addition. So this alkene I am writing again, RCH double bond CH2 on reaction with BH3. So this is B3 hydrogen atoms. Now this alkene attacks on the boron, and this hydrogen is in the form of hydride which attacks on the central carbon atom. So overall addition of this reaction is the RCH2, means double bond is converted to single bond, and the addition of this BH3 across this carbon-carbon double bond takes place. So this hydrogen comes at the middle carbon, and this is BH2. In this reaction, what happens? One hydrogen atom from the BH3 is replaced by the R group. So this is overall R group. Okay. Now we are using second molecule of alkene. So what is going to form? So this reacts with the second molecule of alkene. So this is RCH double bond CH2. This is second molecule of alkene which react with this alkyl borane. Now the product is, again, what happened in first step? one hydrogen atom replaced by all this alkene group. Similarly, this another hydrogen atom is replaced by this all alkene group. Now see here the product. This first molecule is as it is RCH2. This is one hydrogen of this first molecule. Now this BH2, this B and H. Another hydrogen atom is replaced by this alkyl group. Suppose this boron and again CH2. Here this CH and R. One hydrogen atom from this boron is attaches to this middle carbon atom like this. So this is the second step. Now third molecule of alkene. How this third molecule of alkene is reacting? Now see here the third molecule. This is RCH double bond CH2. Now this again reacting with this BH, means this one hydrogen atom from this BH is again replaced by this alkene group. Now here RCH CH2. So this hydrogen atom with this as it is, again this boron group of alkene. Now this third molecule, that is CH2, CH and R. Here this boron containing hydrogen is attached to this middle carbon atom. Means overall 3 alkyl groups are there with this boron. If I write this in short, how it is to be written? RCH2 CH2 B, it is 3 times. Okay, now we will see the next step. So this is the first step by using 3 molecules of alkene and this BH3, that is boron. What is the reaction? This is the first step in which trialkyl boron is formed. So in all these steps, addition reaction takes place. So this addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule and not anti-Markovnikov's rule, because hydrogen here is in the form of delta negative charge and boron is delta positive charge. Means the statement of the reaction is negative part of the reagent attaches to the carbon which is more substituted. Means this carbon is more substituted, that's why this hydride is attached to the central carbon atom, that is more substituted carbon atom. So this is the first step of this reaction. Now we will see the second step. Product of first step is written as it is, that is trialkyl boron. This is RCH2 CH2 3 times and here B, which on oxidation H2O2 in presence of sodium hydroxide at basic condition. Here also we are having 3 molecules of this H2O2. This is the second step, that is oxidation step. First step is hydroboration. Second step is oxidation. Now this is the oxidation step. So in this boron complex, that is alkyl boron complex, is going to rupture to form alcohol. So the product of this reaction is RCH2 CH2 OH. These are the 3 molecules because 3 alkyl molecules are there with the boron, and the byproduct of this reaction is H3BO3. Therefore the overall reaction is addition of water molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond, which is Markovnikov's addition, but this reaction looks like anti-Markovnikov's addition because negative part from this HOH is attaches to the carbon which is less substituted. That's why it looks like anti-Markovnikov's addition, but actually it is Markovnikov's addition. So we will see the examples on this reaction. Suppose here this CH3 CH double bond CH2, which on reaction with BH3 THF, step A, followed by H2O2 in presence of basic medium B. What are the A and B? This is one of the fashion of asking the question. Another fashion with same alkene, that is propene. So the reaction can be asked like this: BH3 THF, and the second one, that is H2O2 oblique NaOH. What is the product? So these are the 2 different fashions in which reaction is asked. So what is A and B? So first we will try to write this in the form of A and B. So what is A? Suppose for this A is these 3 molecules of alkenes are there. So these are going to form trialkyl borane. So how this boron is attached to the carbon number 1. Okay. So the product is CH3, CH2, CH2B. This is 3 times. This is tripropyl borane. So this is the first product. So what is B product? So this step is nothing but the hydroboration. And the second step, that is B product, the reaction of H2O2 at basic condition, this produces the product B, that is alcohol. The final product of this reaction is alcohol. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. These are the 3 molecules. So this step is nothing but the oxidation step. Or you can write overall product of this reaction here at the question mark. 3 molecules of CH3, CH2, CH2OH. That is 1 propanol. Understand? Now we'll see the more examples on this reaction. So here suppose CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. This on reaction with first BH3 oblique THF and second, that is H2O2 at basic condition. What is the product? Then suppose here CH3, C, CH3 double bond, CH2. This on first reaction with BH3 oblique THF and second on reaction with H2O2 at basic condition. Third suppose, so this is the first step, that is BH3 THF and second H2O2 NaOH. What is the product? So we'll try to write down the products of this reaction. So here this is symmetrical alkene. That's why you can join OH group at any of the carbon, means carbon number 2 or 3. So product is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. These are the 3 molecules here. So we'll get the 3 alcohols as the products. Then this is OH group is attached to this CH2 group, means carbon number 1. 3 molecules of alcohols, that is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. Then here also this double bond means it is CH2 group. This is carbon number 1 suppose, and this is 2. So at carbon number 1 there is OH group is going to attach. 3 molecules of this alcohol is going to form OH. I think this is more clear to you. Let us sum up this reaction with 2 different concepts, Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's addition across the carbon-carbon double bond. Here suppose this is RCH double bond CH2. This on reaction with first BH3 THF followed by hydrolysis. Okay, what is the product? And the second one, that is H2O at H2SO4 in presence of H2SO4, means acidic condition hydrolysis. These are the 2 different reactions in which we are going to prepare alcohol from alkene. In overall reaction, there is an addition of water molecule across the carbon-carbon double bond. So what is the product here? That is RCHOH CH3, and here you will get the product, that is RCH2 CH2OH. Here more substituted alcohol, and by using hydroboration oxidation, less substituted alcohol is obtained as a product from this alkene. So with this we conclude this session. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section, and for the notes please refer the description section. Thank you.